I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a water pump on a Ford Explorer. First, gather all your tools, including a variety of wrenches and sockets, and a large drain pan. It is crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns from hot coolant. For safety, always disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery. Finally, carefully drain all the engine coolant into your prepared container, which should hold at least 2 gallons. Now, let's get to the removal process. Begin by releasing the tensioner and carefully removing the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley. Next, disconnect all hoses connected to the water pump housing, being mindful of any residual coolant. Then, unbolt the water pump from the engine block, typically using several 10mm or 13mm bolts. Gently pry the old water pump away and thoroughly clean the engine block's mounting surface. With the old pump removed, it's time for the new one. First, ensure a new gasket is properly seated on the new water pump, or apply a thin bead of RTV sealant if specified. Carefully position the new water pump onto the engine block, aligning all bolt holes. Hand tighten the bolts, then use a torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's recommended specification, often around 18 foot-pounds. Finally, reconnect all hoses and reinstall the serpentine belt correctly. The final steps involve refilling and testing. Pour the appropriate type and amount of new coolant into the reservoir, typically around 2 gallons. Start the engine with the heater on high to help bleed air from the system, topping off coolant as needed. Carefully inspect all connections for any signs of leaks while the engine warms up. Monitor the engine temperature gauge closely and check the coolant level again after a test drive to ensure proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.